I've always wanted to create a t-shirt that looked like something I'd actually want to wear. So today I'm making one from scratch. So I found this old t-shirt, and the first thing we need to do is work on how big we need to make the stencil. I'm using 2 sheets of A4 card to map out the stencil size before we can draw on it. Once I was happy with the size, we can start drawing. I wanted to create a big, bold stencil to make the t-shirt stand out. One of the biggest things about designing a stencil or drawing a stencil out is it can look really good as a drawing, but completely fall apart when you start cutting it. So while you're drawing, you constantly have to think about where to leave little bridges to connect everything. So eventually, after a lot of drawing, a lot of rubbing out and a lot of drawing again, I was happy with it, and now we're ready to cut it out. So now the stencil's finally finished, we can place it onto the t-shirt to see if it's good sizing. You can pretty much see how it's going to look, and we're ready to paint it. So you can definitely take it outside because it smells bad. Then switch it up and treat me right.